Unlock your writing, tone, mood, and figurative language. Hello, wonderful learners! Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of creative writing, incorporating figurative language to create tone and mood. By the end of this video, you will have a good grasp of how to use figurative language to add depth and color to your writing, creating a distinct tone and mood. Tone refers to the author's attitude toward the subject or audience, while mood describes the emotional atmosphere that surrounds the readers. It's like music in a movie. Imagine watching a thrilling scene without the suspenseful soundtrack. It wouldn't have the same impact, right? Similarly, tone and mood play a pivotal role in engaging your readers. Figurative language is the painter's palette of writing. When you want to convey certain feelings or create a particular atmosphere, you use different colors, or in writing, different figures of speech. This includes metaphors, similes, personification, and hyperbole, among others. They help you paint vivid pictures in the minds of your readers, setting the tone and mood effectively. Let's look at some examples to better understand how this works. 1. The sun blazed like a monstrous ball of fiery wrath. Here, a simile is used to describe the sun, creating a harsh and intense tone and mood. 2. Hope fluttered in her heart, a delicate butterfly against the hurricane of her despair. This is a metaphor, depicting hope and despair in a dramatic, poignant manner. 3. Grief, the uninvited guest, took up permanent residence in her heart. Personification here casts grief as an unwelcome guest, setting a sorrowful tone and mood. By using such figurative language, we add a layer of emotional complexity and visual richness to our writing, thus effectively establishing tone and mood. Now, it's your turn to try. Take a sentence. The room was very quiet. Think about different moods you could create with this. Maybe tension, serenity, or loneliness. Use figurative language to rewrite the sentence and establish each mood. That wraps up our discussion on incorporating figurative language to create tone and mood. Remember, figurative language is your friend when it comes to creating vivid, emotionally resonant writing. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep writing. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy writing!